Kajal, you're a model.
Yes.
Yeah. How? Why? When?
Don't I look like one?
You do, yeah. You do, yeah.
That's what people say that I
Yeah.
mean, I look like a model, but I
Yeah.
don't know why do they say that.
What does
Oh.
it even mean that you look like a model?
Exactly,
What
like
hand
what-
model? You just be specific.
I don't understand that. So if a person is like seeing me or like maybe they've just met, oh you look like a model. I mean, why? I can look like this in a normal person as well. Like this can be my personality
Yeah.
as well, apart
Yeah.
from being a model too.
Yeah.
So yeah, like I am a model, but
Huh. Well, you
And it's
happen to be a
interesting thing.
model, but even if you weren't a model, this
I
is how you would look.
Yeah, definitely,
Yeah.
for sure. I mean, this personality is not because
Huh.
I'm a model, but this is what is me, or this is what I am like carried like.
Yeah.
This is my personality as a person.
So, do you think on average Indians look so bad that anyone who looks a tad bit above average, अरे यार ये तो model होगा.
I don't know, like they just have a thought process.
Yeah.
Probably like a tall or maybe slim looking person
Yeah.
is into some fashion thing or something. That's a mind process that they have. So I don't know about Indians, but then probably it is like that every second, third person would have that thought process. I feel either they'll ask, "Are you an influencer? Or are you a model? Or are you like?" Apart from that, also a person can be something else as well.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
a person can have their own personalities while carrying the way they want.
Yep. Yep.
So that's what I feel.
But then, how did this start for you in terms of profession-wise,
Yeah.
modeling as a profession?
So
5 people said, "Arey, do you look? You look like a model." You're like,
No, I asked them then, what do you mean by I look like? Why I can't just look like a personality that I carry up? Like,
Okay.
what's wrong in that? But I started my profession was with pageants
Okay.
that I did. It's not that directly I went into modeling. It started with pageants, and that's how I got to know, maybe I have more of interest or caliber to be into this profession.
okay.
So I had done few pageants earlier. I also hold a title of Miss Diva India International 2018.
Okay.
Then few subtitles. And then I started with collaborating with the photographers and the brands. And that's how my journey started with modeling.
Yeah.
And then slowly and steadily I got into e-commerce and
got it.
everything, commercials and
Yeah,
everything.
yeah.
Now I'm also processing into acting.
Acha.
So I am getting into acting as well, where like digitally, UGC contents.
Okay.
So that's how I'm.
Is
starting.
is that the natural transition, like from a career trajectory perspective?
Yeah, but like before getting into modeling, I was working as well. I was into something as well. Like I was a dance choreographer as well earlier.
Acha. Okay.
Yeah, and I was teaching in schools and institute as an English grammar tutor as well.
As a?
English grammar tutor, yeah.
Okay.
So I've taught in like institute as well, from like 5th to 10th, 8th to 10th standards. So I've done. So
you're like that
this,
hot English teacher, yeah?
no, but see, that was a different thing.
Yeah.
I wasn't. I mean, you don't just go everywhere like a person.
Glammed up.
No, of course not. You have to. See, I'm
Yeah.
a person that if I'm going to some event, it is how I have to carry. Now, like if I'm going for some temple or something, of course I'm not gonna go like a glamour thing.
yeah.
You need to have that sense of thing
Yeah.
that how you're gonna go. So that's how it is. But yeah, this was before modeling. So once I understood, like I think I have more passion into modeling more and everything. So that's how I started off with my journey, and I've been in that only now. So completely into modeling and acting. Yeah.
Okay. So you little earlier you spoke about these pageants.
Right.
I've always thought, like, see, I'm not from the industry. I don't know much about this, but it just it's a little overwhelming when models say, "I have won this pageant, I've won this pageant." It becomes a little Miss Supra International or one. Like there are so many titles.
Right, because there are so many titles as well, and there are so many organizations as well that they come up with.
Yeah.
Mr. Miss Pune, Maharashtra.
Yeah.
Then this, then this
Yeah.
is this. So every organization
Yeah.
is different. But if today, like if you see at like upper, like Femina is.
Yeah, the top
It's
one of the most,
the-
I think, well recognized one.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
But I didn't go for like a lot of pageants later on because I also, since my height is not like 5'7", 5'8",
Okay.
because that is
They
also
have
one
a
of the
criteria.
criteria.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
there are criterias for like the ramp walks.
Acha.
When you do a professionally ramp walks, there are like criteria 5'7" and above for female
Okay.
categories.
Okay.
Yeah. So I was like, okay, now I'm done with pageants. I don't want to do more because, okay, I experienced it. I felt I've hold some titles. That's enough.
Yeah.
Then I realized. Then I studied on more of like how does modeling works and what all I can do to get into it more.
Okay.
Got in touch with few of the agencies and photographers. Did photo shoots. Then I started getting approaches from the brands
Okay.
and things
But
around.
is Pune a good place for an aspiring model?
When it comes to like overall, because Pune is more about like traditional thing,
Okay.
the traditional typical thing. Apart from that, if you want to like really explore as a model, there's very limited access to it,
Okay.
because there's more of like sari shoot, designer shoot, dress shoot. There's no exposure to it.
Okay.
Being a model, because being a model, there's like a lot that goes. If you go to Bombay,
Yeah.
like since I do travel to Bombay as well. So Bombay has exposure. You go to other cities, there is an exposure. But with Pune, it's very limited access
Okay.
when it comes to modeling. There's not like something unique or different. That has to be there.
So can you sustain as a model in Pune? Yes. No.
You can if you want to just be into that play thing, like traditional. Chalo, 5-10 sari changes, those changes, hoarding changes.
Okay.
So that is like typical traditional thing,
Okay.
which is not bad, which is good if you're earning. If a good money is coming, then it's fine.
Okay.
But if you're just thinking, okay, like a money wise,
Yeah.
and if you're not thinking for the long term, then there's no exposure, I would say.
In Pune.
Yeah, there's no more of input to it, like to the thing, because apart from that, then there's like not much. Like if you see the brands, like probably say Western wears, or maybe say bag collection wears or something. There's nothing.
Streetwear or something,
There's nothing great happening into it when it comes to Pune.
Is it a brand problem? Is it that brands, when they come to Pune, for example, let's say a streetwear brand, when they go to, let's say, Mumbai, they know that, okay, we have that infrastructure.
Mumbai has money as well, no? Pune, they don't want to pay only. They don't want to like step above.
Okay.
They just want to be in that zone of like, collaborating or barter. They don't want to go beyond that. They don't want to pay like good money. So that is the biggest thing that is a problem in Pune. That every, like whosoever or any big designer or anything, they just want to do like a barter collaboration or probably collaborating with a few of the 1-2 shoots, 1-2 designer things or something like that. So that is what the thing is that's happening in Pune.
And there are also, correct me if I'm wrong, there are these modeling institutes. What does a modeling institute
I have
teach?
no idea.
Huh?
I
क्या
am
करवाते हो?
telling you. So first of all, like I if someone tells me to open an institute, I don't feel like, because like I'm still like looking myself to expose on a big level.
Yeah.
So I don't know. There are a few models who have just maybe done few pageants and few categories or something, and they start calling themselves as
Model mentor.
coach, model mentors, model coach, and they are doing. So that has become one way of earning money.
Acha. Okay.
Probably because okay, now they don't want to go beyond modeling, or maybe they don't want to go. So they've just started opening with these batches and classes.
Yeah.
And they
Because every now and then I either come across on social media or somewhere in the newspaper 10 days to become a model. I'm like, what?
No, see, there are professional models or coaches, but you need to have that kind of experience
Yourself before.
Yeah, exactly. Like, how can you teach someone in a year? You've not been a 5 or 10 years experienced person. How are you teaching another models to do that? Just because you've got few of the hoardings around doesn't gives you do you have a degree
like
into
authority
it?
To
Yeah,
teach
do you have a
somebody?
degree or authority or what experience comes up with it? Like, I don't understand. Just because you're good at walking, maybe even good at teaching or influencing,
Yeah.
that doesn't makes you a model coach, because it takes a lot to become a model coach. ऐसे हुआ तो फिर हर गली में model coach तो कोई भी बनेगा.
Oh, hey.
Exactly. So I don't really understand that. I really, and there was one person as well who asked me like, would you be interested in becoming a model coach? यार मैं खुद अब तक सीख रही हूँ. I सीख रही हूँ in the sense I feel like there's lot for me to do more into things, you know, like so I don't want to like get into all of this because I don't have any degree. I am not someone who is okay. Ramp walk, I mean, you need something to teach. You need as a person as well. You need some experience, something more to do it.
Yeah.
Just because I've been a model for 2-3 years, that doesn't mean that I'm going to become a model coach. What degree do I have? What authority do I have? Or what caliber do I have to that I've become a model coach for what?
But then, is there any professional degree anywhere?
Not professional degree as such, but like from Bombay, if you say like Anjali is there.
Okay.
Like the way she's having a proper I think she's done for like 10-15 years maybe.
Achha.
And then you're like a coach. So and from Pune, I think Chaitanya Gokhale sir.
Okay.
He's been for such a long time. So he's not got that still that I would say, I don't know, how can I put up a
street cred?
Yeah, and these girls who are becoming coach, they've like within 3 years you've become a coach.
Achha.
So I don't understand that concept or logic, and I'm not saying that it's bad. Maybe you know they are doing good, which is good for them. But then what like what are you doing after that?
But
What are you doing after that then? My question is that.
Like,
because they do like general photo shoots, then they'll tie up with some agencies, and those only traditional photo shoots, and then they are sending them to pageants or something. But what are you giving them? The question is what brand collaborations are you giving them, or at what level are you sending them? Are you sending them at Femina, or are you sending them at Asia Model Festival? Are you sending them there? Then it's a question. If you're not sending them, then what's the question of you coaching for what? So
and you know,
I feel that, you know, like I feel like even like the models or the students need to have a humor of what to be joined, to see even the experiences, to see like Bombay has like many coaches, many beautiful studios where you can go and learn. That's what I feel.
But from a skill set perspective, like what do you think is a model's top 3 skills, if we can even break down it that way?
See, first skill is like you need to be confident enough. That is the most important thing. How is your posture?
You can be bad looking and confident.
Yeah, but see, there's nothing.
But then
like,
you can't be a model.
See, I'll tell you one thing. There's nothing like bad looking.
Yeah.
Your personality is the biggest thing in any firm you say. If you don't have that personality, or if you don't have that sense of talking, you can't get anywhere, I feel. It's just not modeling. It's about like any firm. If you don't have that personality, why would a person have an interest? So I feel, you know, that kind of personality, posture, that is very important in modeling. You need to have that kind of personality, that confidence, coming up with that skill of learning. So that is very important in modeling.
So let's say confidence is number 1.
Yes. Confidence is the key. You know, unless you're not having that confidence, that is not going to be shown in your body as well. Because modeling is like body. That is the biggest thing. You know, when you're doing ramp shows, your body says it. Your body postures, your body runway, that says more about a person. If you don't have that confidence, you're not going to carry it anyway. Even when you're doing like probably shoots or maybe e-commerce shoots or something. Of course, you know, the poses, the confidence, that matters. If there's no confidence, there's nothing going to happen there. So that is the main thing.
So, but then is there a number 2, number 3 here?
Number 2, I would say, so once you're confident enough, second thing comes is like skills. Skills like, you know, like what posture, like if suppose it's a traditional thing, what postures are right, what postures are wrong, what is to be delivered, that is very important as well. Just like someone has made you stand, that doesn't mean that you're going to pose like 2 things. That's not it. That's not modeling. It's not that easy that ki camera ke samne khade raho aur 2 pose de ho gaye. No, it's not that. It is about, suppose today I'm having a shoot of designer, probably a lehenga. So though that kind of poses I have to carry. Tomorrow if I'm having a western wear, so that kind of poses I have to deliver. That is what modeling is about.
Okay.
It's not about 2 poses you're giving and you're done. It's not that.
Yeah.
There are poses, there are learning, there are posture, expressions, because this all are like coming to skills. Expression, how
Yeah.
you express. Even you're not saying, but you're expressing through the eyes and the expression. That's the biggest play for a model to do on the shoot or on the runway. That's the biggest thing.
Okay. Whatever you're saying, this is male and female, right? Or you
Both of course, definitely, because somewhere you also need to have that poker face. You need to keep that straight face as well.
Okay.
But that also needs to have that kind of attitude, that kind of look to deliver. Otherwise, if I'll just tell him, oh, just stand, he's just going to stand. But then you need to have that thing from yourself, like, what are you going to deliver? How are you going to deliver? That is the most important thing. Expressing in a way, in whatever, like traditional, typical, Western, whatever. It is about delivering your best.
Okay. What's the male model scene here in Pune? Is similar to what you said for the females?
Male model coaches though are not there.
Are not there. Pune doesn't have.
No, I mean they are not like models, but they are like coaches. But there are no like male model coaches as such.
But male models hai?
Male
Pune
models
hai?
है, but not like top notch. मतलब वो सब बॉम्बे ही जाते हैं.
Would you date a male model?
What?
Are you dating a male model?
No, I'm not dating
But
anyone.
would you? Would you date a male model?
See, for me, it is very important to have a sense of humor and that intellect.
So let's stop there. Male models don't have a sense of humor.
No, I never said that. I never said that. But looks are not everything.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
is what the
Of
thing
course, of
is.
course.
Looks are not everything for me.
Yeah.
And I'm not like a person that, tere paas 6 abs hai, so I'm going to be like all flat, all down. No, I'm not that. I need some sense of humor, some intellectual. I need to connect on that level.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I can't. Good looks are not everything for me.
Okay. That's a good segue into this. Do you think there is a stereotype here? There is a stereotype at play that models, irrespective of male or females, are a little dumb. I know that's not true. I mean, I hope that's not true.
Of course not. That's not true. Like, take an example of Manushi Chillara.
Okay,
She is Miss World.
Yeah.
She is a doctor. So, I mean...
Is that an outlier? Is that a one-off?
No, it's not.
Okay, I'm just...
No, but they are not dumb.
Yeah.
Like,
but male models are dumb? This is my experience here.
no, I don't think
I've
so.
seen some...
What kind of experience did you
Like
have?
some just... What you're saying now, the ability to hold a conversation many a times is missing.
Yeah, because I feel, they get into so much of their head, like, they feel that they can just, by flexing a body, everything is in.
Yeah.
No, but it doesn't work like that. You need to have brains as well.
Yeah.
You have to have you need to know how to hold a conversation. That's very important. So I think that is why somewhere they lack
Okay.
when it comes to male models, because they can't hold the conversation because they are so much flexing their body.
You've gone into your memory में ये आ रहा है, flashbacks आ रहा है, oh dumb.
No. I have never been around with dumb.
Okay.
No, that's never been with me.
Okay. So tell me, what are some of the dark sides of modeling in general, or maybe something that you faced?
No, there's not like dark. So dark side, as in I haven't faced, being very honest, to very dark side of thing.
Okay.
Because I've always been around people who have always, if I have been wrong also, they have made a point to, make me know about it or learn about it. So that's never been a thing that, everyone might have a different opinion because they might have been through something. But in my case, I have never come across something there's a dark side to it or there's something like that when it comes to modeling.
Okay.
It's been a very good, very nice thing to be in model. There's good money also. So it's been a good thing for me. So I don't feel like it's too much of this.
But are your good friends also models? Like, are you?
Yeah,
can you
I do
have a
have-
good relationshell, friendship with
No,
fellow models?
definitely, yeah, definitely.
There's
I
not
do
that
have
sense
friends.
of.
I do have friends and females who are good models.
Yeah.
We are like closest friends, so there's no like this thing.
I don't like.
No,
Kajal don't
never.
like.
I am very straightforward. I'm very straightforward like that. As a person and as a human, I'm very straightforward. If I don't like something, I don't like it. There's no filter to it for me.
You've grown up in Pune?
Yeah, born and brought up in Pune.
Acha, okay. A broader question, nothing particularly to do with modeling. What's the dating scene here like?
Dating scene. In like it's not about you see everywhere dating scene has become something. There's like situationship.
Yeah.
There's a bencher. What words
What's a bencher?
benching? I just learned. So I had like few Bombay friends and one of the sirs, director producer, he was there. So we were just having a conversation while they were in Pune because they were attending Osho.
Acha.
So even I didn't hear that word and I was like, what do you mean by benching? So they're like, benching is like keeping someone on hanging.
Ah.
So that is what benching means. So I was like,
Acha.
okay, this term is also there. So I was like, what all terms have come up?
Yeah.
Like, because, so even I do have friends who are like more younger. So I asked them like, what is the status? It's just like situationship. I'm like, what do you mean by situationship? Like, nahi, abhi tak we are just figuring out. We are just like, we don't know how is it going to be like.
Okay.
We're just seeing each other and some people around as well.
Okay.
So I was like, okay, that's something fun then. You guys, so there are these terms.
What are the other terms?
Other terms, there are a lot of words that are there, which I'm not used to these words. So I don't have like much knowledge about these words.
Okay.
Benching also, I got to know from my Bombay
This is
friend.
the first time I'm hearing this.
See,
term.
this is
Benching?
so if you go to Bombay,
Yeah.
Bombay is like everyone knows about all these words.
Okay.
Because I think apart from benching also, there are few particular words.
There might be, I don't know.
They know it, but
couching, chairing. I don't know. I'm just thinking now. Every furniture is something.
exactly. And I was like, what? Benching means what?
Yeah.
And I'm like, when did this word? And I was surprised, like, that sir knew it. I'm like, sir, how do you know?
You know it, yeah.
And I don't know it. Like, I am still so young.
Yeah.
How do I don't know about it? So I was like, okay, there are new terms of relationships as these now. You won't hear more about like, okay, I'm dating, I've been for such a long time, I'm so serious, I'm so much. The words that I get to hear is situationship, figuring, benching. These are the words that have come up.
Yeah. I remember when this movie had come, Friends with Benefits. This was a film which came out, I don't know, I think late 2007. ऐसा कभी निकला? Justin Timberlake, yeah.
Yeah,
That
that's
was the
long back.
first time I was like, ऐसा भी?
ऐसा भी होता है, ऐसा भी है.
I had some
But
idea
friends
of
with
it.
benefits तो वो तो ठीक है, वो तो बहुत पुराना अभी हो गया. Like as a term to be used, that's very old term. But like now people have their own zones and words to
Do you think
dating.
because of this, and this is predominantly because of Gen Z? Do you agree?
But not because of but I think friends with benefits
No,
was...
not friends with benefits.
Yeah, but
all these
these,
new
that is Gen
situations
Z.
and terms.
That's for sure. That's
Is
for
it
sure.
sometimes a little overwhelming? कि भाई क्या हो रहा है?
I mean, it's interesting to know because it's so much of fun. Like, okay, this is also there. This is also is happening.
Yeah.
And these new
ऐसा भी
terms.
कर सकते हैं?
Yeah, exactly. So, and like everything has become so cool, so chill, and everyone is like going into the flow and figuring out and this and that. But I don't know how does this works. Like, how long will it work?
Sustainability.
Because then you get used to it, no? Then how long will you get used to it? But at some point you need someone stable.
Yeah.
Till what time are you going to use these terms? I feel like you need some stability somewhere. I feel.
Oh no, definitely. I mean, everything. It's not just
Exactly,
everything.
yeah. Like, but unless you're like keen or sure about it, then it's understandable. Unless you're not sure about it, then it's like, okay, fine, you're playing around or whatever it is. So that's.
But then I think there is a assumption. There's a lens through which people in entertainment are viewed. Like if you're an actor or a model, okay, maybe committing to somebody too soon is maybe detrimental to the career.
But I think that's from the start. Like somewhere or the other, you have to also keep it a bit I would say like a very hidden thing, because not everyone or maybe could accept it, because on the screen they want to like, they don't want to come up with that thing. So it's very this thing that not everyone can open up about like being into something, being into a relationship or being into commitment. That is still there. And I find that is still there, not because, but I think that comes with the audience, because maybe the audience won't take it, or maybe it becomes too popular for a person to get into that thing. So that's the reason that commitment thing is.
Would you make your relationship public?
No, not really. If
You would like to keep this private?
I would like to keep it private unless if it's not harming my career wise as well.
Okay.
Because I mean, I want to see. I want to see that part of thing as well. If suppose I'm signing something on the board with some producers or directors, and if they've told me, so I would do that. I would talk with my partner and keep it private, which is fine. It is fine for few years, for a few time. That's fine, and I'm okay with it. Like I would keep it private, and I think it's better to keep it private unless things are like really on a page or something like that.
Or there's some nice controversy.
No, controversy. So now it's become a daily part. Yeah, like you have to.
No
There has
novelty
to
there,
be.
na?
There has to be controversy.
Yeah.
मसाला नहीं है तो कुछ नहीं है. That is not only in modeling or acting or in the films, but it's like in a daily thing as well, because people love it. We as audience love as the masalas. If there's no masala, there's nothing. I feel.
Is there things that you do in your, let's say, Instagram feed, just ki, let me spice things up, or let me something
नहीं. See that I can't do that. Because I myself, I'm not like a Insta person when it comes to like doing reels, like chalo trend karo,
Yeah. You
dance
don't want to dance
karo.
to those reels.
I really
But you're a choreographer, yeah. You can.
But I
In fact, you
can't.
can dance better than.
See, I can't do that. That is not my style, first thing, and I feel I can't do that. कि यार चलो इतना वो सब लोग वो एक ही step कर रहे हैं, वो मैं नहीं कर सकती. I can't do that.
Okay.
But yeah, like there are few people of if suppose there if my team is there, or people around, or if like they are like, you have to do it. You will have to only do these reels. I'm like, why?
Okay.
Why I need to do it? But you'll have to, because we need like the kind of viewers. Because reels and all has become now a way of getting the viewers and
more audience.
catching. Yeah. So that is how it is.
So, if you have a choice, you would not be on social media?
No, I would be on social media. Of course, I'll be on
To
social
check
media.
other people's.
No, I don't check other people.
No, don't lie.
No, I do
think all of
check.
us do that, yeah.
We all do that, but I am like, it's very, the people whom I know, I'm more following them, and whose maybe context or life is interesting, I am following those people. Apart from that, I am not a real person that I am going to invest my time in watching those funny reels or something. I'm not that person at all.
You don't send memes वगैरह क्या?
Not really. Not really. In that thing, I'm boring maybe, but I can't do that. Who has so much of time to invest in those reels? And when you start
Kajal,
seeing,
a lot of people have a lot of
but
time.
I feel that is too much of time consuming.
Yeah, it is.
Once you start seeing 2 hours, 3 hours are like, and see all these people are smiling because that's the fact. Because once you start watching it, your 2 hours are just like this, they're gone.
Yeah.
And I feel that is very unproductive thing to do. What you're doing, like,
But do you think there's a larger trend where now influencers, people who do this, like from a perspective of regularly put out content, it could be anything, but regularly put out stuff online.
yeah.
Now they are getting more acting opportunities, more modeling opportunities, although they don't have that skill set.
I don't think like, okay, when it comes to OTT platforms, they are getting, if they are like really good artists, definitely, which is not bad, it's a good thing. But not everyone is getting who like every small or big influencer, are they, even if they are like whoever is making the videos of dance, are they getting item numbers to do in movies? No, of course not. Which influencer is there who's doing item number?
Yeah, a good thought here. I have not actually
Because
thought of that.
no, I've thought, because I'm like, people whoever is making these videos, are you all getting item numbers of films? Are you all getting chance to do that in films? And like n numbers of viewers you all have for your dance.
Yeah.
But where is the movie? Where is the item number you're getting to do
Movie
that?
is still that gold standard, na? Like all of this eventually,
Well, of course, na, because screen pe aana is a big thing, yeah. It's not a
the size of the screen matters. It's
exactly,
not the,
definitely.
Okay.
Unless you don't think big, you're not going to be big.
Okay.
That's what the you know, if you want that feel, if you want
Yeah.
something out of the box,
Yeah.
it is that.
Mhm.
But yeah, as you said that you didn't thought like, you know,
yeah.
think about it. They are not getting it, right? Are you getting it?
No. First of all, I'm not getting it, and
Exactly.
I don't dance either, so,
So
I'm not.
you're
sad.
not getting it.
Yeah.
So I don't see that point only. You know that I may be wrong. I'm sorry for that also to
Nah,
say
fuck
it.
them. Yeah, tell
To
me.
say it also, but I really don't get that point.
Huh.
And first, the stupidest thing is TV चल रहा है पीछे.
Okay.
हाँ टीवी में गाना लगा दिया है और वही गाने पे कोई आगे नाच रहा है. मुझे वो भी लॉजिक नहीं समझ में आता है.
इधर आप म्यूजिक लगाओ.
एग्जैक्टली म्यूजिक लगा के आप डांस करो ना. ये टीवी लगा के फिर आप
This is the
डांस
choreographer in you, Kajal.
no, but even if it's not that, these are like logic, यार.
Yeah.
तुम्हें क्या मिल रहा है?
Hey, this is 2025. There's no logic.
Okay, understood. No
Leave it at
logic.
home.
Then don't call yourself as like creative influencers. You all are doing the same thing.
Yeah.
There's nothing different. What is an influencer? Influencers is someone who you're influencing people for some good content. Where is the good content? What does the influencer mean?
Yeah. You think the term itself is wrong?
I don't know. Like everyone has different terms
No, what
to
do you
use.
think? And nowadays there are so many terms out there.
Yeah, I mean, everyone has. This is my opinion that
yeah.
you know this is what I feel. Like if you're getting something out of it, maybe money.
or- I
Yeah.
think predominantly पैसा मिल रहा है नाचो
पैसा
यार.
तो मिल रहा है, हाँ. So that is a good thing. You
Yeah.
know, that is one plus point
Yeah.
that they are earning good money.
Yeah.
But I also feel like how long? कितने time तक?
Okay. Sustainability is a question.
Exactly.
Mhm.
How long? Do you make reels?
No,
Do
no,
you
no, I've
do
not
you
done
follow
that.
trends?
I follow. I want to know what's happening from that perspective. Yeah.
So like, what trends do you do? Like,
For example, yeah, like me personally, apart from these guest podcasts, I follow a lot of Desi hip hop, DHH.
okay,
I follow a lot of anime, the cartoons.
right.
I feel these are thoda underserved markets, and I like to speak about those things.
Okay.
That is something that's a personal interest which I'm aligning with. That.
No, but otherwise you don't follow the trends. That is.
वैसे वाले नहीं यार, वैसे वाले मैं कुछ नहीं.
यहाँ पे कितने लोग करते हो?
All of them.
All
Yes,
of them,
yes.
ना?
But tell me, now you're in this line of profession modeling.
Yeah.
There are some creepy dudes out there.
As
There are
in, like,
many creepy dudes out there.
Like-
and many DMs that you receive. What are some of the creepy DMs that you've received?
Don't ask. They are like
Tell me.
next level, next level of DMs.
Huh.
And it's I don't even like feel something, but I laugh out reading those DMs because they are like so funny, and I'm like, how do they come up with such cheesy and such lines? And I don't understand, but it's like fun.
It's fun.
It's fun. It gives me a good laughter of those reading those DMs.
You can recollect any of them?
I can read them.
Oh, please, yes. Let's read Kajal's top.
Forget
three
about my
creepy
DMs.
Yeah.
Even if you see in my comment sections,
Yeah.
there'll be some of the funniest
Let me go
things.
through the comments. You show the DMs.
और हिंदी में तो जो भेजते हैं, I'm like, wow. I mean, this will take a time.
No, we've got time. Don't worry. What you do nunchakus also, okay?
Yeah. So
I just saw your highlight.
yeah. Till last year, I was learning nunchaku,
Yeah.
mixed martial arts. It comes under mixed martial arts.
Okay.
So I had learned probably for a month or two months. I had learned nunchaku,
Yeah.
and then something didn't go well with my coach.
Achha.
So then I stopped it.
Achha. Okay.
But yeah, I had learned some 10 techniques of nunchaku. And it was fun.
It looks fun. Yeah.
I love exploring. You know, I love learning new things
Okay.
of these. So nunchaku is something very like it comes into self-defense again.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
So yeah, but it is interesting to learn something this. I'm sure I'll again learn.
No, definitely. What else are your hobbies as a person?
No, like just this.
Nunchakus.
Yeah, not more.
You go home
I'm not
after
a
a long
reading.
day.
I'm not reading.
You pick up your nunchakus.
I'm not reading person. So I won't say that I like reading books or something. No, I'm not that kind of person. I like cooking. I cook sometimes.
Okay.
Or maybe if I'm in Pune at my home.
Kanda ke bina you cook na?
क्यों? I eat everything. Lasun, kanda, everything.
Hey yaar, you're not pure Jain.
Only
then.
no, nothing like that. There's nothing like that. Only for 8 days I follow that.
Acha.
Those 8 days I do fasting and everything. Those 8 days. Apart from that, then whole year I eat onions, everything. Yeah.
वो तड़का ही नहीं लगाते खाने में यार.
क्यों?
अरे कांदा नहीं यूज करते जैन लोग यार.
But ठीक है ना?
And I'm just kidding. But you showing me your DMs.
Yeah. यहाँ पे अब
Network, should I connect to the Wi-Fi?
yeah, I'm just checking. Like there are DMs, hey, let's do vacation in Maldives.
Let's do vacation in Maldives
Yeah.
directly.
Yeah, directly Maldives.
You should ask them, send tickets.
There are like really funny DMs, I'm telling you.
Let's do that again. Let's roll. Fan off. Let's do that once
God.
again. What is this one?
Yeah, so this one is, so I one of my pictures, I mentioned keeping it formal.
Keeping it formal.
Yeah,
Acha.
so that was the caption to my picture.
Yeah.
So this person has DM'd me, "Na Kajal, I would keep you in mind. Formal and formal not important. I bet on attitude, not on looks. Keep shining."
Nice, yeah. You didn't reply?
What?
Thanks, sir.
No.
No?
I feel the fire. You should feel my calm water sign. Our encounter will be steamy.
Oh my god. That's an invitation. Kajal.
Exactly. Why will I just crave if you tempt? I'll seduce if you're wicked. I'm the devil.
Wow. That's cringy.
Too much. Too much. Okay, so there's
Salman Khan ki kick hai wo.
oh God. In some deep thought of mine.
One day you should just reply, yaar. You should just reply in the same way.
Same heroine.
Huh.
Disha Patani acha.
Okay.
Bagal.
Bagal.
Okay. This. God, a call. I think this is gonna take us time.
It's going to take some time.
Time.
इतने ज़्यादा हो गया यार. And you've never been through them.
Not really, because वो देख के ही समझ में आता है यार कोई फेक अकाउंट से कोई मैसेज कर रहा है वो.
कभी but genuine account से किसी ने एक genuine कुछ भेजा है ना?
हाँ, genuine भी आते हैं, ऐसे नहीं कि सिर्फ फेक ही आते हैं, but genuine भी आते हैं. It's not that only there are genuine people who
want to
message,
compliment,
compliment, get in like touch or something or get to know more.
Yeah.
So there are people like that, but of course, I check a person's whole profile and everything. If it's interesting or something, then only I can respond. Otherwise, I don't respond.
It's just obvious, यार. It's वो safety का भी matter है. कौन
Yeah,
बंदा
yeah, exactly. Like, sometimes what happens, there are guys, maybe, or people, they are following like 7,000 people.
Okay.
So I don't understand, like, what 7,000 stories are you watching and which stories are you watching? First of all, 7,000 people.
Okay.
And they are following maybe some, they are having followers, maybe say 700, but they come as genuine.
Okay.
So sometimes I feel that, when I have that thing, maybe, you're following 7,000 people, maybe you're fake, because that is what I feel.
Okay. Okay.
So I have that thought, if you're following 7,000 people, how can you be genuine?
Yeah.
But sometimes I've come across people
Yeah.
who are following 7,000 people, but they are genuine.
Okay.
So even that is there. So you really can't understand in that thing that who is fake, who is genuine, even
Yeah.
after people following such
Yeah.
huge amount of numbers.
Mhm.
That is only happening unless you're talking to it or getting to know a person. That's how it is. I feel.
What do you think about sugar daddies?
I don't know. I don't want to think about it because
Have you come across somebody like that?
like yeah.
Check your DM. Check your DM.
No. I have come across. It's
Yeah.
not that I've not come across. But then I'm like, I'm not interested.
But what's their pitch like? What are 3 ways to
You are so. Have you come across any sugar,
sugar daddy?
mommy?
Me?
No, sugar
No.
mommy. Yeah. Why will I say sugar daddy? Sugar mommy has to be there.
Kajar, no.
Sugar
आजकल
mommies
सब
are also
कुछ
there.
होते हैं.
Exactly.
ऐसा
If
नहीं
sugar
बोल
daddies are there, sugar mommies are also there, right?
होते हैं, yeah.
So have you come across?
Yes. Yes.
So how
but
do you
this
take
is about you, not about me. Just a second.
I thought like I'll just reverse
No,
it.
no, no.
I'll just reverse it.
No, I think an older individual who has nothing much to do in life and probably neglected.
No, it's nothing to do with they don't have anything to do in life or something.
And interesting. It's about that. What is that thing that gets them on?
Today it's become like that they are at that age
What
that
is that age?
50s
50s, yeah.
or 60s and they wanna like they are more attracted to younger girls now like 20, 25, 25,
DiCaprio.
30.
Yeah.
So they are getting more into that.
Okay.
जवानी आ रही है उनकी 50. They say ना that जवानी फुट के आ रही है उनकी. So I think they are somewhere. But I think this concept has become very normal. I feel everywhere. I think so.
Sugar daddies.
Yeah.
That's-
Concept in the sense like it's become very approachable. That
You would also like. Are you saying that it's okay if there is a big age gap of 20 years,
I
30
would
years?
say that it's okay. 30, it doesn't see. Of course, it's not going to be something okay with. It is give and take thing in that. Like even if someone is having a sugar daddy, is he is your sugar daddy because you're getting some advantages.
Okay.
You're enjoying it. You're having fun, and which is fine. It's your opinion. If you're having fun, it's totally fine to be with it.
Yeah.
But I don't understand that. Like, why is it become so much of this thing in past, I think 5 years or like in past 5 years, this term has come as sugar daddies more.
Okay.
Or it is
It's become
becoming
more mainstream.
Yeah, more of it. Like otherwise earlier, I don't think I would have even heard about this word called sugar daddy.
Yeah.
But now it's become so this thing, so mainstream that like as you said, like someone had approached me. I'm like, dude, look at me. I don't need you. And I don't need your money.
Yeah.
For what? And what fun are you going to give me? Look at yourself. Dude, you're 50 and 60. What fun are you going to give me? I don't need you. And a good amount. He was offering me a good amount.
Yeah.
I'm like, dude, I am not interested. I don't need this. So, for them it's become so this thing that ki yaar chalo because today it's become more of all this sort of parties, fun, you're getting the advantages and everything. So this term has become more of everywhere has become that, used to it or people are enjoying the advantages, which is not wrong. I feel okay, fine. ठीक है उनको मिल रहा है तो मिलो अच्छा है मजे करो और क्या और तो क्या.
But let's say if you were to say 3 ways of identifying a sugar daddy, what would that be?
यार एज से ही तो पता चलेगा
The
ना.
one is age. That's like the obviously. Yeah.
एज तो क्या एज इज तो बिगेस्ट थिंग कि यार वो
Yeah.
like
But behavior wise or something from an approach perspective, anything which gives away
I
that.
don't know. I have not studied about it.
Oh yeah, because I have studied, yes.
No, like I don't know that it's a normal behavior.
Okay.
Na? Probably it could be a normal behavior only. It's not some different behavior that they come up with.
Yeah.
Probably they are like more upfront as well. Like, yeah, I'll buy you this, I'll buy you that.
Yeah.
I'll take you to these vacations and I'll take you to...
Maldives. Check that day.
So it has become more this.
Okay.
So there's no behavior, there's no something apart from it. It is very much normal behavior, very much in a thing.
Okay.
And it's not, it's I won't say that your only sugar daddies are wrong or they are wrong in what they are doing. Unko mil
Sugar
raha
babies
hai.
are also wrong.
Babies are coming,
Yeah.
so they are welcoming.
Okay. It's
So
a
if the
two-way
ba-
street. Yeah.
Yeah, it is. See, everything is always two ways. It's never one way. So the babies are coming.
Yeah.
The sugar daddies are welcoming.
Okay.
It's like two sides. The story of it.
We've got a couple of games
Okay.
for you. You know, let's just go through it. This is a rather, I would say, interesting one. I'm going to show you some profiles of guys.
Okay.
Okay. You just have to say swipe left or swipe right.
Okay.
Yeah. We can just play this one.
Cool.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay. Let's go through James. He's 33. Let's see his bio. I like long walks on the beach with my girlfriend until the LSD wears off and I realize I'm just dragging a stolen mannequin. It's funny.
It's funny, but not interesting.
Not interested?
No.
Why though?
No, it just didn't interest me.
Okay, cool. Let's go to the next one. Okay. Uma Shankar, 35.
बाप रे,
He's
no.
not 30,
उसका
35.
नंबर उसका नाम उमा शंकर
हाँ.
सुन के ही अच्छा नहीं
Hey,
लगा.
so you have a name problem. Name has
मतलब होना चाहिए ना, नाम में भी तो बात होनी चाहिए.
क्या नाम होना चाहिए? मॉडर्न नाम होना चाहिए. Tier 1 नाम होना चाहिए.
सिर्फ नाम में दम. ये उमा शंकर, आई डोंट नो, ऐसे लग रहा है. आई थिंक दैट इज दिस कोई पहाड़ का नाम ही है ना, कोई शंकर.
Bhima Shankar. Okay.
Exactly. So
Okay.
no.
No?
No,
We
no.
don't want to go through the bio?
No.
No? Okay. Fong. ये तो भंड लग रहा है.
इतना डार्कनेस, पता नहीं उसने कैसे फोटो निकाला है. डार्कनेस रखा है, पूरा डार्कनेस, और इतना बड़ा स्माइल दे रहा है.
Researcher by day, sloth by night. When I'm not slaying away in the lab, I like to ride my motorbike and stuff my face.
Stuff my face with what?
That is up for discussion.
No, but
What
no.
could it be? But
Fong.
Fong.
नाम नहीं, अच्छा ही नहीं लगा. नाम ही अच्छा
Chinese
नहीं
name.
लगा.
Oh no, we got no Chinese here. Hey, this is good.
Yeah, this is
Shravana,
good.
25
See,
to 30.
even you're liking
Like,
it.
I mean, I'm just from a perspective, okay, well groomed, suit mein banda.
हाँ तो mutual.
Mutual. No, it's not mutual. Raja, it's not mutual. But yeah.
I mean, the liking wise, the personality wise,
personality,
of
yep,
course,
yep,
the
yep.
personality wise.
Oh, what is it written? Have a height not many can match up to. Is that a little arrogant?
Okay, so ladies with a height less than 5'7", 5'8", you know it won't work out.
What a dick. You know?
Acha, how do you know it won't work out? Unless you've met, or maybe he's had an issues with short height girls.
Yeah, could be.
History of being misled and manipulated easily. So ladies, now I'm much more aware and alert. Acha, see, history, he's had a history.
Yeah. What do you think about him? What do you think about his bio though?
I can prove him wrong though.
Yeah.
That could be another
So this is a swipe right?
swipe right.
Acha, but this was swipe left?
Swipe left, of course.
Yeah.
The
This
first
one?
three.
Uma
swipe
Shankar
right.
is as left as it can
Uma
be.
Shankar matches with Bhima Shankar.
Huh.
So,
Okay.
okay. So that
Women
would be
are
the-
weird yaar. What is it? Uma Shankar ka pura
You know,
future you have destroyed only on the basis of his name.
because it did interest me what Uma Shankar is. It's like two names coming, Uma
Is it
and Shankar.
It's a catfish, I think. Probably.
तो इसलिए मैंने थोड़ा उसको राइम कर दिया, उमा शंकर और भीमा शंकर.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Smith. Okay.
25.
Oi.
You found out all events. Please tell me more about your other scientific. इसको बोलो नासा पे चले जाइए. Scientific discoveries के लिए.
What is he though? Left or right?
Left.
Left?
Yeah.
He was trying to be funny.
But it wasn't funny. ये कौन है?
Oh, Ramnath, 19. Let's just hold there. Is this a
Of course
19-year-old?
he's not. वो कोई किसान दिख रहा है. He's a farmer, dude.
अरे वो लिखा है. See, at least he's honest. I am
I'm farman.
Farman. I is from Bihar coming. Okay.
I is okay. Thank God.
Can you read
A
this out?
नहीं डाला. A नहीं डाला, नहीं तो I is from Bihar coming होता. I is like to find a girl without face. That is black, okay, guys? Without a face.
Yeah, but that is black. Okay, so he's basically saying उसको गोरी लड़की चाहिए, वैसा बोल रहे हो. That is black.
Wow, you are so understanding with
Oh,
the words.
I know Ramnath, yeah, personally.
If your face black, go far and die.
Okay.
I also don't want marriage all. Just show and go. Understood? Just show and go.
Just show and
Just
go.
show and go. अच्छा, और डिस्क्रिप्शन नहीं लिखा कि क्या देखना है क्या नहीं
Nothing.
देखना
That is just come, show, go.
है. I is from Bihar.
Yeah.
I is from Bihar, not. Thank God I is नहीं डाला है.
It's farman, yeah.
New term for farmer.
Yeah.
Farman. I am a farman.
But I think it could be a right.
Right for you.
No.
Right for you.
For you.
It can be interesting to know for you, not for me. Not interested. Mapre.
Jesus. Okay.
Actually, several thousand years old. I don't know why it says 21 lol. Downside, I've only been nailed once.
Okay.
Upside, I would die for you, so you know I'm committed. Also, my dad is pretty big deal. He always beats me in Riddle. Swipe right if you need some Jesus in you. No. You need Christ.
Okay. Is it left?
Left.
Wow.
Desh Kumar
Rath.
Rath. Desh Kumar Rath. Okay, transaction risk analyst at Amazon.
Whatever that means.
Less than a kilometer away. चलो बुला लेते हैं इसको.
बुला ले क्या?
बुला लेते हैं.
वो भी बोलेगा 5 मिनट दूर है, घंटे बाद रात का काजल.
Exactly.
What is this?
Occasional cook. Amateur girl. Introvert in training. Brutal honest. Yet smooth. Long walks by the sea. Total my thinking. Wannabe writer. Or lazy storyteller. That's all. What about you?
What about this guy?
No, left.
Left. Women are too choicy.
देवांश 23. यार इसने तो फेस ही
वैसे
नहीं
फोटो भी नहीं डाला आपने.
Exactly. 11 kilometers away है. तो मुंबई में.
मुंबई में. ए पीसीएमसी इतना दूर नहीं है या पीएमसी से, ठीक है.
No, left. फेस ही नहीं दिखाया
अच्छा,
उसने.
that's a big no.
Of course.
You don't want to go through the bio.
No, definitely not. I want the face.
Okay. Cool. That was it for this one. I think there's another game we have where I want you to just. I'll be showing you some makeup transitions.
Okay.
Okay. You just have to rate it from like
Okay.
1 to 10. So I'll be just showing you some makeup transitions.
Okay.
Makeup transitions. You just let me know. Just rate it 1 to 10.
Okay.
Yeah.
Done.
Okay.
My God. That's
Wow.
crazy.
That's crazy,
That's
no?
like really amazing art.
It's like 3D किया है क्या उसने? Because
It looks
ऐसा लग रहा है ना,
yeah,
these are
yeah.
his inners ऐसा. Wow. और उसने अपने सर कैसे छुपाया उसने? पूरा काला कर दिया.
Play it again.
टकलू है, but what the fuck?
Thank you. मुझे लगा कि बाल है उसके बहुत ज्यादा उसकी टकले पे.
What? It's okay.
Of course I can
could
see.
Could be. Yeah. मतलब, oh my god,
What
क्या ही
could
बात.
be?
This is like a hair ad then. कितने घने बाल है उसके. But just look at this ना.
No, but
It
that's
looks so 3D. Wow. What do you
very
think?
nice. Very nice.
This is like a
Like-
pro level.
Definitely.
What do you rate him?
8.
8.
8.
Yeah.
Definitely 8 out of 10 for sure. Very interesting.
Let's go to the next one.
My God. Oh.
Wow, धोखा. What was
धोखा
this?
तुम लोगों के साथ. मेरे साथ
You
क्यों
knew
धोखा?
what was coming? You knew
Yeah, that would be. What else can you expect
So
in a
till
makeup transition?
This frame and
And
this.
then something gorgeous.
No, but it's even the color. ये ना skin color.
Yeah, but that's the magic of makeup.
बाप रे. How important is makeup for a girl, like from a skill set perspective? If there's between cooking and makeup, you would choose which one if you had to choose one?
I'm not a makeup person at all as it is. Like, I'm very minimal
And
kind
see
of person.
how misogynist I am. I'm asking you to choose between cooking and makeup.
Cooking and makeup options भी क्या दिया? Cooking and makeup. Wow.
But okay, how much would you rate this? And this is but crazy tha yaar.
कुछ crazy नहीं था.
ये
It was
crazy नहीं था?
normal. It was normal. I would give like 5.
बाप रे. Okay, 5. Latina makeup.
Yeah, थोड़ा sound on होता तो मजा आ जाता था. ये लोग बोल. Oh, this trend. See, this trend is going on so much.
Okay.
Have you heard this trend or not? Boji.
First time I'm seeing.
What are you
Boji,
saying? You're-
boji. I don't know. Yeah, see, the thing with trends is there are so many trends. अब क्या
But this is a catchy trend.
This was a catchy trend.
Boji.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Fuck. Even you know this. Now I'm feeling all bad.
because-
you don't even see.
But the
Yeah.
makeup thing comes now.
Yeah. But what do you think about this? But this was
This
not
is
so.
this is very normal.
Yeah.
I would just give 3.
Yeah, I mean, she's talking Indian woman, Latina makeup. ठीक है, both Latinas and Indian women have got those features. So
Latina features are
अरे
different.
यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है काजल.
So लिखने में क्या होता है? But features are different ही होंगे ना.
No. But I'm just saying. चलो ठीक है, I don't want to get into it. Yeah, you're right. 3. Fuck this. Yeah, what is this?
Okay.
What is this? What is gonna happen?
You may choose a
What?
We have many fine women.
Many fine women, okay.
Nina is the best singer.
What are you doing? Oh, she's.
What are you doing? Is that like gonna be water or something she's showing?
Good hunter.
Good hunter.
Yeah, she is a good hunter.
Where's this going? Is that a porno? Where are you going?
Good hunter. Okay.
But this woman must also choose me.
Okay. इसको कितना टाइम होगा ना दिन में?
She already
Oh, this is
Oh,
that.
Avatar.
Yeah.
Or
Avatar.
this was that X-Men है क्या? No.
नहीं
this
नहीं
is not,
Avatar का
yeah,
it is that.
yeah.
But nice.
It
It was
took
normal.
a lot of time. It is effort.
Yeah,
but
but
nice.
makeup is effort.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
need 3-4 hours for it.
Yeah. It's easy to
For
be a
this-
man. Yeah.
Exactly.
But yeah, what would you rate this?
6.
6? Why? Why do you rate this 3? This woman?
Because that was normal. What did she do?
Are she changed her skin color? Yeah. What are you saying?
So she changed her whole face now.
See, now this is Caucasian. This
But-
is tanned Latina. Caucasian, Latina, Caucasian.
He's stuck on Latina. He's loving the Latina.
Okay, but what was this?
But that was like complete face transition, na yaar.
But
This
this
was
was-
so much of effort to even create. See, we guessed it also, na. If she wouldn't do it rightly, we wouldn't be able to guess.
Somewhere in between, I thought it is Shiv Bhagwan ka was doing something. But ठीक है. Okay, I get your point. Okay, we just went through this, no?
Mostra tudo que cê sabe.
Oh, we went.
He's stuck on only
Hey, no.
He's
I just copy pasted that
He's-
slide over there.
He's loving the bogo whatever.
I'm gonna check that trend today.
You've already checked twice. It's just that Indians people, they like to follow the trends. So that is how
बहुत
it's
वेले लोग हैं हमारे पास. It's a huge population.
So through your podcast, you should deliver
मत
something.
देखो.
Deliver something sensible. Give
Yeah.
some speech.
अरे that is why we have guests like you, yeah.
Acha, I have
Yeah.
been called to give speech and is it going to like change?
Who knows? Who
Acha,
knows? 6 months
acha.
from now, Kajal will be like, "Papre, that
Oh my
podcast
God, yeah,
changed
right,
my
right,
life."
right.
bro."
Exactly.
Cool. Let's just go through some fashion fails.
Fashion.
Fails like runway pe model fails. I
Okay.
would say. Yeah.
Okay.
And these are like 4 tiers in which we've divided, like retire, rehab, therapy, or it's Tuesday.
Okay.
Like we've
But it's
defined.
Saturday.
Yes, but in this it's Tuesday. Kajal, I am the one who's making the rules here. Whoa, you say it's Saturday when I come to your place for a podcast.
Acha.
Wow. Once again, ouch.
It was Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Yeah.
But was it a Tuesday when she fell once, but she fell twice?
But it was like a very easy thing. Not
Yeah, it was
like
a
a big.
Tuesday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It wasn't a big.
Okay, fuck up. Okay. Wow. Ouch. What was that?
That would be rehab.
That's already rehab.
Yeah.
She fell into the swimming pool.
Yeah.
बेंचो इतने साइड में कौन चलता है? गिर जाएंगे ना.
देखा नहीं ना. That is the problem. Focus नहीं रखा.
Okay. Okay, let's go to the other one.
Okay.
Ouch. Okay. Oh, whoa. What was that?
I would give that. It's Tuesday.
This was Tuesday. You fell off the ramp, Kajal.
Yeah, but
you
that-
didn't fall.
It wasn't. It wasn't like really funny.
You didn't fall on the ramp.
But-
You fell off the ramp.
But it wasn't like too funny. I need something too funny, to see that.
Okay.
Something really bad should happen.
She fell down.
There should be more disaster than
Not
this.
that. Like, पीछे bomb blast हो गया. I don't know what's happening. Okay. I think this is Tuesday.
Yeah, Tuesday again.
But then models aren't like there is no orientation कि कपड़ा ऐसा हवा में झुकेगा और ऐसा आपके पैर में लिपटेगा तो वो ट्रेनिंग तो होता है ना.
हाँ, तो प्रैक्टिस तो होता
she
है
didn't
ना.
practice.
बट अब फाइनल इसमें तो
She's
कुछ
an
भी हो सकता है.
influencer who was called for ramp walk. That is the problem.
Oh, all influencer attacks are gonna be on you.
अरे don't worry about it. मैं कमेंट ही डिलीट कर देता हूँ. That's the advantage I have. Okay.
ये अब तक उठ ही रही है. Oh,
That was bad.
I'll give retire to this.
This is retire?
Yeah,
This is retire?
yeah.
Why? ये तो ramp
Why
से नहीं
was-
गिरी. She's still on the ramp.
गिरी नहीं, बट तू क्या पूरा पैर तो ऊपर चला गया.
अच्छा, वैसा. Oh, okay. Yeah, let's retire.
Oh my god.
I'm not a
See,
fuck.
this is retire again.
Yeah. This is retire because hip displacement. This is that kind of retire. Okay. Oh,
Oh my god.
that hurts.
दिखी नहीं. अच्छा, फिर दिख गई.
It just went down and didn't come out.
Rehab.
नहीं,
Rehab.
खत्म नहीं हुआ ये.
ऐसे फेस पे लगना चाहिए तो मजा आता है. Oh my god, the sounding effect was very nice.
But she fell down.
No, I like the sounding effect.
है ना? Wow.
ये
क्यों इतना
तुमने-
फैंसी करने जा रहे हैं? She fell down.
ये तुमने मेहनत करी है. Laughter.
फिर क्या? अरे यार काजल, what you thought? ऐसे ही तो ना गेस्ट को बुलाते हैं.
अच्छा, ऐसे कहीं से रील उठाया रहेगा ना, of course.
Some basically.
Exactly.
Yeah.
इतना भी डम नहीं हूँ मैं.
नहीं. I never said models are dumb.
Oh,
I
really?
asked you, are they dumb? No,
अच्छा.
there's
You said that you've met. You
I
met
have-
some. हाँ, so then
I'm not. No, I'm not saying this
You said
meeting. No. It was not this meeting I was talking about.
I've got the words.
Cool, yaar.
But you didn't say about the sugar mommies.
Sugar mommies, no?
Yeah.
Sugar mommies highly recommended, yaar.
Yeah.
और क्या? नहीं यार. I think it's similar. There are people.
Is it there in Pune?
Sugar mommies, no, not much. No.
No. So where is it much?
Mumbai,
Mumbai,
without
yeah?
a doubt. Yeah. I've lived there for a few years, so I know.
Oh.
I've encountered a few. Yeah.
Oh, you've encountered few sugar mommies.
Encountered in the sense, encountered, yeah. That's all. It was a public encounter, yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. We'll talk off camera about that.
Okay, off camera.
But what do you think about DILFs?
What?
There's a term called MILFs. So there's a term called DILFs. So basically, daddies that like to fuck. There's a aged man, but who's like super sexy. It's called a DILF.
Okay,
Like MILFs, an
And
aged
DILFs.
woman that I would like to.
okay.
So what do you think about DILFs? पुणे में तो नहीं है यार, मतलब MILFs भी नहीं है.
मैं तो
DILFs
सुन
भी
ही
नहीं
रही हूँ पहली
है.
बार.
This is another term that you just
Another
heard.
term. Yeah.
Today you will flex in front of your.
No. What else flex?
We'll say, bro, just in conversation now. Purposely, you'll find ways how to just.
Maybe they would know it.
They would already know it. They would know.
I'm
Bombay
sure.
के लोगों को तो पता होगा.
पुणे के लोगों को भी पता होगा शायद या नहीं होगा. I don't know.
I don't know. I hope so.
Yeah.
ये common है यार, but ये common है.
Is it?
Yeah, I'll send you these terms when I come across.
Achha.
Just from.
Now you're gonna send me the terms. But what all more terms are there?
Okay.
Like what all terms have you heard?
I think Sean is my go-to person for these things. Yeah. But like what?
Yeah, what terms more are there?
Like
Benching, there's
Benching. Huh.
there's ghosting.
ghosting. तो
Ghosting
ठीक
is
है.
what?
Ghosting is when
not responding.
Guys.
Acha, but that is.
Okay, guys, she's not experienced. She doesn't know what is ghosting.
मेरे साथ तो कभी किसी ने घोस्ट नहीं किया यार मुझे.
क्यों करेगा?
क्यों करेगा? That is.
मुझे देखकर कौन घोस्ट करेगा यार?
यार ये where do you live वैसे? गंगाधाम.
मैं घोस्टिंग करने वाली चीज हुई ही नहीं यार.
Okay. We will put that twice in the ring. मैं घोस्टिंग करने वाली चीज नहीं है.
Of course.
But okay, ghosting is.
See, you
something.
called me also on your podcast because I'm an interesting personality.
True.
So what interesting
Because
did you
कैसा
say?
है, I went through your page. I found it so interesting your comments. The
Acha,
people.
only the only the comments you found it interesting. Chalo, glad.
Overall, I was like, okay, good profile, good engagement, and from Pune. I was like, okay,
Bas.
interesting to call on the. Yeah. You don't put a lot of your thoughts now, though I don't know as a person
Acha,
how you
acha.
are. You should put a little bit of that, yeah.
Okay.
You talking to the camera, like after you go today, you should put a reel that okay, I was on this podcast and wow,
Oh, okay.
something like that.
I'll put a BTS now, of course.
Yeah.
Are you guys removing the BTS
Yeah,
or no? See, I'm gonna put.
Yeah, I'll send it to you. I'll send two, huh? Don't.
Why
So-
only two?
Okay, I'll send three. Stop, Kajal. Enough. But okay, Kajal. Today is the 1st of Feb,
Yeah.
or like entire year is left. Just we're done with the first month.
Okay.
How does 2025 look for you?
It looks interesting.
That's
I am also like working on few things, and I hope that few things work out and get on board for like when it comes to my career wise. Definitely. I am also planning with some new business
okay.
this year, so I will be working on that as well. So yeah, like 2025 looks like more of
A lot of work.
lot of work. I always want a lot of work.
Yeah.
I prefer that. A lot of work, a lot of
Yeah.
chill.
Yeah.
I prefer that way.
Lovely, yeah.
Like I believe in like working hard and partying hard. So that is the mantra in my life.
Lovely, yeah, lovely. Looking forward, yeah. Looking forward, whatever that business is, give me like a 10% of it. I know.
Not like some.
No, I mean, why not?
Definitely. Definitely.
Cool, yeah. Anything from your side, Kajal, on a parting note to maybe the people who are watching this?
Stay blessed.
This is that model wala part. Like, okay, you've just, this is the title winning question or answer. Whatever the question is, just say word, please.
What will I tell to the people? Have a great weekend,
Have
guys.
a great weekend.
Party hard.
Yeah.
Figure out your situationships.
Yeah.
Figure out your benching.
Don't be benched. Yeah.
Have fun with the sugar daddy,
Yeah.
sugar mommies.
Milf,
have
dilf,
fun. Have fun as much as you guys can. Work hard, play hard, do whatever shit you want. That's all.
On that note, thank you so much, guys.
Exactly.